So I'm going to use this hole cutter to make some wheels for the pull toy that I'm working on. And I found one thing: if I can get the edge of the hole saw to break through on the side here, it allows the sawdust to escape, and it allows it to cut a little better. So I'm going to try that now. I'm going to try to get it just so that the outer edge of the hole saw is outside of the board here on the edge. And so I was able to do it that time. You can see I've got a gap here. That worked very well. I was able to cut that very quickly without generating a lot of heat. The sawdust had somewhere to go. I'll show you the difference. And you also get a pretty good cut here. Now I'm going to do one. I hate to do it, but I'm going to. I'm going to show what happens if you don't allow it to have a breakout. I'm going to cut it without any breakout at all, and just see what happens. A lot slower cutting. It generated some heat enough to burn the wood here, even though I was trying to go slow. It's burned around in the middle there. So it will work, it'll cut it that way, but it generates a lot more heat and it takes a little bit longer. And you can kind of see it there where it's kind of burned on the inside. Now I'm going to go back and try and do one where it breaks out again, because that's what I found to be the better way. And so what I can do is I can just look down the side here of the blade here and just kind of gauge it. I believe that's just going to break out right there. And it did, and you can see all the sawdust got kicked up right through this hole here and ended up right there in one spot. And it did allow the hole saw to work a lot more efficiently, and I don't have any burn on the wood. Got one more to do. Let's see if I can do that again. Yeah, I guess you could measure it and know for sure. I'm just eyeballing it down the side here. Not a big deal if it doesn't work out, but it's better if it does. Okay, I got lucky again. You can see all the sawdust got kicked out through the hole here onto the board, and it worked pretty well. It went fast and didn't generate any heat really to speak of. Didn't burn the wood. There you go. I can just clean these up, these edges on a belt sander, and this will be a wheel for a pull toy.